Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, Raw Material Handling Plant of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant carries out major innovative and modification jobs in the last fiscal. And SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant takes all precautionary measures to safeguard the animals of Indira Gandhi Park and Deer Park. Now the news in detail. To help the plant in its accelerated growth of production and performance, the enterprising employees of Raw Material Handling Plant of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant undertook several measures in the last fiscal. Several new and modified facilities were installed and commissioned. Repair and replacement jobs were also carried out to ensure equipment availability and smooth supply of raw material. Dry fog de-dusting system was commissioned in phase 2 of RMHP. System was installed for the operation from remote operator's cabin in track hopper 3 with wireless CCTV surveillance of PF 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the first time, output shaft of bucket wheel assembly of bucket wheel reclaimer number 2 was dismantled and replaced with an in-house developed new shaft. New coke crushing building passenger elevator was installed for convenience, time saving and a safeguard measure. The capacity of belt conveyor 221 was enhanced from 250 tons per hour to around 450 tons per hour with suitable modifications. Similarly, the fluid coupling seamless pipe was replaced by flexible hose pipe for better maintenance and ease of replacement in belt conveyor 209. Software in track hopper 3 unloading logic was changed, which helped in maximizing wagon unloading. Necessary modifications carried out in different belt conveyors helped in minimizing spillage and frequent jamming. In Rod Mill 3, the HT motor base was modified to utilize the unusable HT motor of different frames and enrich their spare position. Similarly, in Rod Mill number 2, girth gear was also replaced. It may be noted that RMHP takes care of unloading and stacking of all major raw materials excluding coal like iron ore lumps, iron ore fines, blast furnace and steel melting shop grade limestone and dolomite, dolo fines and manganese ore. Other than these, it also handles coke breeze, LD slag fines, SMS sludge, mill scale, flue dust and other spillage material generated inside the plant and its processing. The Horticulture Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been taking every possible step to safeguard the animals of Indira Gandhi Park Zoo and Deer Park from any eventuality arising out of the COVID pandemic. The department is complying with the guidelines issued by statutory authorities of central and state governments to keep the park and zoo in a healthy and hygienic state ever since these were closed down for visitors on 9th April 2021 due to the outbreak of second wave of COVID pandemic. It is being ensured that the zookeepers who have been tested negative in RT-PCR test adhere to the guidelines such as social distancing of 2 meters and use of PPE kits like head mask, gloves and face shield, etc. Foot bath with potassium permanganate solution is made available at the entry and exit of the zoo. Health screening of animal keepers is followed strictly on daily basis. In case of any kind of illness, the zookeepers are advised to report and stay at home with due medical attention. Close contact with zoo animals is being avoided. Further, all perishable feeding materials like fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish, etc., which are procured on daily basis are being washed thoroughly in 1.0% potassium permanganate solution after receipt of all the materials. Milk packets are also washed in potassium permanganate solution before opening. Hand wash with soap is practiced before entering to each enclosure for daily maintenance. Health screening of the primates, rhesus monkey, is being done regularly with infrared thermometer for assessing the body temperature. As part of the disinfection drive, various intensive steps are being taken, like spraying of virucidal agent Virkon S within the animal enclosures and intermittently spraying of formaldehyde outside the zoo enclosures and pathways on regular basis. It is noteworthy that outside vehicles accepting the feed carriers are not being allowed to enter into the zoo premises. Maintenance of hygiene and sanitation has been given highest priority at every level, and strict surveillance is being made by the executives and staff of Horticulture Department to monitor the situation continuously. That's all in this edition of Rockla News. Namaskar.